What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And we finally back in this thing with another video, man. And before we get started, man, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Please make sure you hitting that subscribe button. And if you loving what I'm doing, man, when we get to the end of this video, make sure you show your boy some love. Leave a comment down below. We almost at that 200 subscriber milestone, man. Let's make sure we support and let's make sure we get there. I promise you, you know what I'm saying, we hit that mark. We gonna celebrate that in a big way. There gonna be some giveaways. Show your boys some support, some love. Do the Flu Game TV. Join the fam. You already know how we rockin', man. Let's get it. We here today, man, because your boy had the opportunity to come up to cash out. You know what I'm saying? Cops have fired this past weekend, man. You know, the weather here has been, I know I've been gone for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that watched that SneakerCon vlog, man. Your boy out here copping this heat for myself and y'all, baby. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep that thing going, man. You know, as we know, this past weekend was the off-white UNC Air Jordan 1 drop. You know, because I live in Chicago, 32 South State, we do have the premier flagship Jordan store. You know what I'm saying? We had pairs. We had the opportunity to get pairs. And your boy came up on not one, not two, but 3 pairs of them off-white Jordan UNC things, man. So I'm gonna give y'all, a quick, review, man. Give y'all a couple of thoughts on my view of of the shoe. From where I'm coming from, man, what I like, what I don't like, you know what I'm saying, what I love about the shoe. And then, your boy, Chicago has been having some terrible weather these last couple of days, man. But it was nice today, so your boy took it outside for the on feet, man. So we got a very special on feet for y'all, man. So without further ado, let's get into it.
All right, so you see, we all know this box by now. You got the window to the future and that thing right there, all white for Nike, Air Jordan 1 Beaverton word, yada yada yada. You guys can see the tag there, dark powder blue cone, my size 13, NRG, man. So no more just off white, it's now NRG. So we gonna take the hood off that thing, put that out. Plastic, paper, I imagine, to, kind of preserve the shoe a little better. But there you have it. Clean, official. Couple quick thoughts, man. Biggest differences is the ripstop caging, man, on the toe box. If y'all had the OGs, which I did have the OGs, this is like that funky like mesh. And that thing was just not durable, did not stand the test of time, man. So I guess Nike said, we gonna cut all that out. We gonna get us some material. And I will say this thing has just been holding up, man. Essentially the same shoe, man. You got the inside of that thing right there. Another quick difference, you see the inside of that is now Nike Air. The OGs had the off-white, logo in there, Nike the 10. These pair do come with blaze orange blue laces, which the orange laces are a little different. They have black lettering instead of the original white lettering of the OGs. This pair did come from either Nike or No Tray. I know a lot of people wonder, on the zip tie, you know what I'm saying? What's the date going to be on those things, man? Well, these came with, the 2018 date. As you can see there. So you wondering what your zip tie should say? It's 2018. This is my Nike pair. I can see the receipt back there. But I like the shoe. Definitely dope. They kept this one simplistic. Definitely kept this simplistic. You know what I'm saying? For me, this is definitely number 2 on the list. All right, let's get into that comparison. So y'all actually, here go the personal pair that, your boy Q the Flu been rocking all day. You know what I'm saying? You see them war wounds on the bottom of that thing. We still kept it clean though. You know what I'm saying? If you notice, like I said, on the OG laces, you got that white font, man, that you'll find on the OG orange blaze shoestrings compared to this one, man. I guess to kind of give it some, you know, character, has some separation on his own. You know, you see I threw them lime green laces in there, you know, to add that little extra sauce. We ain't new to this off-white thing. We true to this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, pretty lightweight, pretty simple, pretty dope shoe. If you want to get a close-up on the durability, you know, in terms of the wearability of this thing, you can see here, man, pretty, you know, a little bit of creasing, but, you know, definitely a durable shoe. Way more durable than the OGs were, in my humble opinion. And that's coming from somebody that did own a pair. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for that, man. Let's get to that fire on feet.
This type of shit happens every day. All them a man, them want for peep up and stay. But none of them have the guts to pull out and spray. None of them have the guts to pull out and spray. 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 Pull out and spray.
I got dollars on my vlogger. Serve it to my vlogger. Yeah, that's my vlogger. To my vlogger. Pray the Lord on my shotter. She be poppin'. Yeah, that's my vlogger.
I'm that barrel Gama Hussein. Time cruising, rock the Vegas in the Goddess state. Getting cake, could've thought I'm Jewish. Fuck, might lose your soul for my language. Nowadays, this niggas been at round tables, talking all that heinous language.
The mama she broke, mama stole. The mama she get no fuck. Bite, Mrs. Stack. She is psychic, she excited. Hot like it, hepatitis, hepatitis, help her leave, help her psychic. I lost. I got dollars on my vlogger. Serve it to my vlogger. Yeah, that's my vlogger. To my vlogger. Pray the Lord on my shotter. She be poppin'. Yeah, that's my vlogger.
Oh God, this shit too cold for the mink, yay. Bang, 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 my niggas ain't tame. I bury your ass in that Finks, man. Sip Merlot, watch us make the champagne rain. Let my nigga Lang hang, I'm a Southside nigga with a cane ring. We running, summers we running, spring and fall jogging be nothing. Winter they cuffin', the mothers they loving, the same mothers my niggas stuffin'. Right.
So guys, there you have it. You know, Off-White UNC Jordan 1s, man. Again, man, dope shoe. Probably out of the 3 that done came out, man, this is probably my second favorite colorway, man. I still gotta rock with the OG colorway because, I mean, you know, Chicago classic. You know, how can I, you know, turn my back on that, man? And you know, it's the OG, it's the original, of course, duh. But these are definitely probably gonna be my second favorite colorway out of there, man. I think, you know, this is just gonna be such an easy. I was kind of nervous with this dark powder blue, man, and for some reason, I mean, you probably can't even wear the regular powder blue Jordan 1, but for some reason, man, these are just so neutral. They just go, you know, with whatever it is you want to wear, and they're just easy to rock, man. So of course the white one is, all the plain Jane white one is as well, but you know, my favorite part about, you know, the Off-White Jordan, man, is just the details, but then the color blocking, man, it just really does something to it. And you know, I hope y'all definitely saw that, you know, with, you know, the pair that my personal pair, you know, that I'm definitely rocking today, man. So, you know, y'all let me know in that comment box, man, how y'all feel about these things right here, man. You know, were these fire? Where y'all ranking these 1, 2, or 3? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in that comment box. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin', baby. Hold on, I got it. Gang, 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 gang. We out.
Riding through, rockin' Shaka Zulu. Rocker for whole family blue. Bloody, yeah, Suwu. Ain't you supposed to preach what you practice? Put a rubber on if you stabbing. Get baptized if you Baptist. But ain't it evil to live backwards? Holy Ghost.